In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus to create a new one and adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top set up an hour and then click on days of the week you wish to set up. Now hit alarm name to label it and click on Done at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Finally, tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, tap on each one to adjust it. Click on alarm sound. To adjust volume at the bottom, click on Spotify to log in and use music from it, or select ringtone. To click on this plus at the top right corner and pick any song from your smartphone. Click on one of those ringtones instead and operate those two switchers. When you finished, go back. Click on vibration to select a perfect pattern or disable it completely. Hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Lastly, choose alarm background. Hit allow all. Hit background at the top left corner and pick one of those options. Or tap on any photo from your device. And hit done at the top right corner to save it. Now to save your alarm, hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that mine was successfully added. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it, and to delete it, hold it and tap on delete button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!